Welcome to Moneris. This video outlines everything you need to know to set up your Moneris terminal and be payment ready. Please note, you can pause or restart this video at any time. Before you open the box with your terminal, make sure you have your merchant ID handy, as you will need this to program your terminal. The merchant ID can be found in your Getting Started email from Moneris. The box should include the terminal, the base, a power cable for the terminal, a power cable for the base, a paper roll, a small white envelope with a POS administration card, and the Setting Up Your Terminal guide. First, you will need to load the paper roll. Open the paper roll holder at the top of the terminal by pulling up on the printer latch. Pull the latch away to completely open. Now, insert the paper roll into the terminal. The paper roll should unroll from the bottom of the roll towards the front of the terminal. Pull some of the paper up and close the latch. Next, you will need to charge the terminal. You can do this by charging the terminal directly or through the base. It is recommended to use a surge-protected power outlet for either method. To charge the terminal directly, plug the micro USB cable into the port on the left side of the terminal and the other end into a power outlet. To charge the terminal through the base, plug the power supply into the base and the other end into a power outlet. Then dock the terminal onto the base. Once the terminal is turned on, the screen will read Terminal Setup Required. This may take a minute. You can proceed with the setup while the terminal is charging. Start by confirming which mobile network your terminal will use. To do this, simply refer to the Product Information section of your Moneris confirmation email. This next step is required for terminals on the Bell network. For all other networks, please skip and proceed to check the terminal communication status. To enter the 3G setup menu, press pound twice. Enter 1, 2, and press the green button. Press the green button to select APN. Scroll down to the option that reads Mon BL Pub and press the green button. When the 3G setup menu reappears, press the red button. The message Connecting 3G, please wait appears on the terminal. Wait until 3G connected, press OK appears, then press the green button. Next, you need to initialize the terminal. Press pound twice. Enter 01 and press the green button. You will now be asked to enter your 13-digit merchant ID. To make a correction, simply push the yellow button. Press the green button to continue. When phone number appears on the screen, press the green button to continue. The terminal will now communicate with Moneris systems. This may take a moment. When Swipe Admin Card appears, swipe the white POS administration card. Please keep this card in a safe place, as you may need it for future use. When your screen reads Purchase Enter Amount, set up a password to restrict access to manually entering card numbers. Decide on your password. It must be 5 to 10 digits long and cannot be consecutive numbers or repeating numbers. From the Purchase Enter Amount screen, press the pound key twice. At the Enter Admin Code prompt, key in 22 and press the green OK button. At the Swipe Admin Card prompt, swipe the white POS administration card. At the Enable Password prompt, select Yes by pressing the key under it. At the Enter New 5 to 10-digit admin password prompt, key in the password you selected, then press the green OK button. At the Re-enter New Admin Password prompt, Key in the same password and press the green OK button. The message "Admin password set up successfully" appears briefly. Then the security menu appears. Press the red Cancel button twice. When the screen reads Purchase Enter Amount, you have completed the setup. Before unplugging or undocking the terminal, make sure the battery is fully charged. This may take up to 4 hours, and all 5 bars on the battery icon will be colored. Congratulations! Your terminal is set up and you are now payment ready. For more information on how to configure optional features, refer to the Setting Up Your Terminal guide included in the box. If you still require further assistance, please go to Moneris.com or call Moneris Customer Care at 1-866-319-7450.